Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, my dynamic island is currently displaying my phone charging. So today I'm excited to show you how to use the dynamic notch feature on your Android device. So if you've ever wondered how to customize your notch area with your dynamic information, this video is for you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. So let's dive into the topic of today. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the dynamic notch feature on your Android device. So firstly, head over to your Play Store app. So from your Play Store, search for Dynamic Island. So it's the very first app that is going to show you there. This is the app. So I'm going to drop in the link to this app in the description below. So you install this app. So I'm going to pause this video and continue when the app is done downloaded. So once you've downloaded the app, you open it. So it's going to ask you for some permissions. So you have to grant those permissions first before you can use the app. Next. So this is what I'm telling you that it's going to ask. So first now it's asking that which app do you want it to display the notifications. So if you want it to display notifications of all the apps on your phone, you click on all. So when you click on all, you go back, come to notification access. Then you click on Dynamic Island, so dynamic spots, then allow notifications. Then you also allow it to draw on screen and run in the background. Okay, so you allow it in your accessibilities also. So once you've done that, click on done. So now let's play, for example. Now so if play now, you're going to see the sample. So this is a sample of how it's going to be on your phone. So now let's try using Boomplay to play a song if it's going to show you that. So let's say I'm playing this song. So as you can see now, as I'm playing the song now, it's showing you my dynamic island. So if I'm if I also plug
the modernization, chicken from one pressure, street orientation.
So I'm showing that my phone is charging in the background there. That's just how you can easily do it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.